I think my favorite, I always buy Kraft, so I'm interested to see if this changes the kind of mac and cheese I buy.
Christy.
I'm Mark.
I'm Claudia.
And we're 12 Tomatoes, and we are testing 7 brands of boxed mac and cheese to find you the very best one. Number 1, here we go. I think this is the Velveeta, because it's shells and it looks like it. Which I think is my favorite, but we'll see after these are all done.
It's nice and creamy. I like really creamy. I feel like Kraft sometimes gets a little like dry.
Very creamy. Flavor's not too strong.
It doesn't have like a very strong cheese flavor, but that one's yummy.
Velveeta, predictable, always good.
That's a good mac and cheese. All right, number 2. Tastes kind of like nothing.
Doesn't taste like a lot either.
That one tastes like nothing.
I think that's probably
I think this one's the Safeway one.
the Safeway brand.
I think it's gonna be Safeway Signature.
Number 3, very orange. Noodles are a little sturdier. That's good. Good cheese flavor.
That one's like zesty. I like this one.
A lot more flavor than number 2.
I think that one's good. That's, I think, the Goodles.
I think that's the Goodles.
I'm gonna guess Goodles as well for that one.
Number 4, only one thing can be this shade of orange, and that is Cheetos. I'm scared of this one.
That's a very interesting color.
It kind of tastes like Cheetos, but it's good.
It tastes like Cheetos or like Doritos.
Just like cheesy flavor.
It's like subtle Cheetos. I was expecting the Cheetos to be like more in your face, but it's not.
It's not your typical like mac and cheese flavor. I could not eat like a whole bowl of this.
Number 5. Cheesy, a little sweet,
I like this one.
creamy. That might be Kraft.
It has like a really nice cheesiness to it. I think this one's Kraft.
I think it's Kraft.
I don't think 5 is Kraft. I think that's Annie's. I think it's decent. That's pretty good.
6.
This is the Trader Joe's. Oop.
That's white cheddar, so that must be the Trader Joe's white cheddar. It's good, but the flavor is a little different. Tastes like an aged cheese,
It's very bland. The Annie's white shells are way better.
but not a real cheese. Not my favorite.
Yeah, I don't love that. For white cheddar, it's surprisingly bland, but yeah, that's definitely the Trader Joe's mac and cheese.
7.
That's Kraft.
That doesn't taste like much.
It's got like a weird like floury taste to it.
Maybe that's the Safeway one.
It's not very cheesy. I think this is Annie's because it tastes like organic-y.
Not a lot of cheese flavor. Maybe that's Annie's.
I think 7 is Kraft.
So yeah, I think that's like the Safeway signature brand, Kraft, Annie's.
What's your favorite one?
My favorite,
Either Velveeta or number 5.
I think 3 or 5. I'm hoping this is Kraft because then I'll know I choose the right one.
To pick my favorite, I have to taste again. 1 second. 3 is the best one.
So my favorite was 5.
My favorite was 3.
Mine was also 3.
We're gonna hear the results now. What was number 3?
Number 3 was Goodles.
Number 3 was Goodles.
Something none of us have tried before.
I was excited for this one. I
Yeah.
liked the packaging.
I really like that one.
It's good.
Yeah, the package is cute. What was number 5?
Number 5 tripped all of you up. Number 5 was actually the Signature Select.
What?
No
way!
Number 5 was Signature Select.
So number 1 was obviously Velveeta. Number 2 was Annie's Organic Mac. Number 3 was Goodles. Number 4 was the Cheetos Mac and Cheese. Number 5 was the Signature Select Original Mac. Number 6 was the TJ's White Cheddar, and number 7 was the Kraft Mac.
I told you. Didn't I guess 7 was Kraft?
Mark actually won by 1 point, so he got 5 out of 7 correct.
Oh my gosh.
So your new favorite is Signature
Safeway brand.
Select.
Wow.
And our new favorite is Goodles,
I
which we
also
had
like
never
the
heard of.
5.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, I'm never buying Kraft again. My favorite, I always buy
Kraft,
was gross.
compared to all of them, tasted like nothing, but like it saddens me to say that because we all grew up eating Kraft.
Yeah.
I'm surprised at how bad Annie's Organic
I know, because I always say I
Is.
love that one the
They
most.
have a great white cheddar, but this one was really sad.
Annie's has some great mac and cheese.
Yes.
Just goes to show you don't judge a mac and cheese by its cover.
Yeah.
Or box.
Don't judge a mac by its box.